Look at those ships, approaching the empty island slowly, moving like ghosts across the horizon. What you are seeing is the 31st Marine Expeditionary Unit, straight from California. 6,000 Marines are now stationed in the waters, just off the coast of Iran. Very soon, you will witness the true face of modern 2026 warfare. This is not just a deployment, it is a statement. Helicopters rising from the decks, LCAC hovercrafts rushing toward the sand, and amphibious vehicles pushing through the surf straight into the arena. This is the opening act, a massive assault from the sea. But do not be fooled by the waves. Look up. From the clouds, the elite, the 82nd Airborne Division. 3,000 paratroopers arriving in just 18 hours. They don't come from the sea. They drop from the sky like a silver curtain of death. So let us analyze the mechanics of this invasion. Why send the hammer and the anvil? The Marines are the force of rapid response. They are the masters of the littoral zone. They fight from the sea without the need for fixed ground bases. They are the same breed that survived the volcanic ash of Iwo Jima and led the spearhead into Iraq in 2003. Today, they are a different beast. They operate the M-V-22 Osprey, a tilt-rotor machine that combines the speed of a plane with the vertical reach of a helicopter. They are supported by the AH-1Z Viper and the silent, invisible sting of the F-35B stealth fighters. Their mission is surgical: seize the beach, secure the strategic ports, and blow the gates wide open. But once the gate is shattered, the 82nd Airborne takes the throat. They are the global response force. They don't wait for a safe harbor or a cleared beach. They drop directly into the red zones, seizing airfields and military hubs within minutes of arrival. This allows heavy C-17 transport planes to land and vomit out reinforcements before the enemy can even blink. They travel light, but they carry the sting of the Javelin missile system and the heavy impact of TAW anti-tank launchers. They are the heirs to the heroes of Normandy, the shadows of the Panama invasion in 1989, and the final guardians of the Kabul airport in 2021. But Iran is not Panama, and it certainly isn't 1944. The Iranian landscape is a fortress of stone and concrete. This is where the third element comes into play. While the U.S. military provides the steel, the regional allies provide the blood and the local knowledge, specifically the Iranian Kurds. They have already signaled their readiness. They aren't just fighting for a regime change. They are fighting for the soil they know better than any satellite map. If the Marines are the hammer and the Airborne is the anvil, the Kurdish forces are the fire in the forge. However, we must speak the truth. In the world of intelligence, there is no such thing as a perfect plan. Phase 1 is speed. Phase 2 is volume of fire. But Phase 3 is the unknown. Iran has spent decades preparing for this exact scenario. Their missile cities, those subterranean colonies we've discussed, are designed to survive the initial impact. They know the Marines are coming for the coast of Hormuz. They know the paratroopers are looking for the airfields near Tehran. The victory is not decided by the first wave. It is decided by the resilience of the defender versus the logistics of the invader. You can seize a beach. You can capture an airfield. But can you hold a nation that has moved its heart 100 meters underground? The ink is still wet on the tactical maps. The drones are already in the air. The question remains, is this an invasion or a trap? 404, mine not found. If you want the extracted data on the Kurdish front line and the subterranean defenses, hit the hype button. Information is the only weapon that never runs out of ammunition.